Good evening, everyone. Registrations for gig and platform works will be done on e-Shram portal till 13. Accident insurance up to 2 lakh and health insurance up to 5 lakh will be available as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Government of India. A special registration campaign is being run for gig and platform works in the district, which will continue till 30th. The objective of the campaign is to provide social and economic security to gig works working in the unorganized sector by connecting them to e-Shram portal. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that this campaign is being run especially keeping in mind the works associated with the best cab drivers, delivery personnel, logistics service providers, healthcare, domestic service, tourism, and hospitality sector, giving information about benefits available to gig works registered on the e-Shram portal. He said that the registered worker will be given accident insurance up to 2 lakh under the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Free treatment up to 5 lakh under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and direct benefits of other social security schemes. He said that for registration on the e-Shram portal, the age must be between 18 to 59 years, in which Aadhaar card, PAN card, mobile number linked to Aadhaar, mobile linked bank account will be required for registration. Those who fulfill all the necessary conditions can register with Aadhaar number and mobile OTP by visiting eshram.gov.in and their eShram card. He appealed that all gig works and platform work should take advantage of this special campaign and get themselves registered soon so that can get the benefit of various social security schemes of the government. For registration and under information, Sharmik Sahita Seva number 180018022129 can be contacted. Cleaning of drains should be done by 5th June at any cost. The administration has started work on large scale to deal with a problem of water logging before the monsoon and to ensure internal cleaning of drains. The work of cleaning drains in the city is being done at a fast pace. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has given instructions to complete the cleaning work by 15th June at any cost. He said that the condition of water logging puts the common man in a lot of trouble, so any kind of negligence will not be tolerated in this. He directed all the concerned agencies, including municipal council, public works department, public health department, to work in mutual coordination to monitor the cleaning work on the ground. It has also been said that the progress report of cleaning work from every area should be submitted daily. The deputy commissioner has given instructions that along with cleaning the drainage system, the common man should also be motivated not to throw garbage in the drains and cooperate with the administration in the monitoring cleanliness system. He said that the city can be made waterlogging free and clean only with public cooperation. Additional deputy commissioner inspected the employment fair, gave a message to the youth to work hard. during the employment fair program organized at Rawalpindi ITI. Additional Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal inspected and talked to the company representatives for the recruitment and got information about the posts. Giving a message to the youth to work hard, he said that there is never a shortage of employment for a hard-working person. He said that today's appointments are a directed proof of the deep commitment of the Haryana government towards employment generation. The government is constantly striving to not only provide employment opportunities to the youth of the country but also make them a strong participate in the country's development journey. He said that the employment fair is not only a means of providing jobs, but it also provides an important opportunity to the youth that actively contribute to the nation building. Expressing a destination from all the youth receive effective app. Appointment letter, he said that will discharge their responsibilities with full loyalty, PPP, dedication, and spirit of service. He expressed the hope that youth will play an important role in the development of the country by performing excellently in their field of work and will increase the pride of their family, society, and nation. Three companies that participated in the job fair: JRL Engineering Limited of Hisar, Sriram Piston Limited of Bhiwadi, and Elena Auto Industries Prami Limited of Delhi have provided appointment letters to a total of 39 youth. Thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.